So, good evening, everyone. So, let me prepare running notes. $28. Yeah. Second one, what we done? Any idea? Fundamentals, I guess, right? Fundamentals. Okay. We done right. Now we have done this one as well. Now the third topic and fourth topic is third one and fourth one. NumPy attributes and NumPy methods. Maybe we are going to close today. Please focus on this. First of all, back to the session. Understand why NumPy came. What is the purpose of learning NumPy actually? Okay, go back. Now, I just wanted to come here. From Python introduction to till object-oriented programming language, every topic has its own purpose. Like from the introduction, you'll understand what is a Python. From the keyword Python, how many keywords are available. From flow control, tell me. Like all statements, if else while, if else elif for while break continue return. Next one, from functions, how to create a function, parameterized function, return statement. These are all we understand. The purpose, every chapter has its own purpose. Same thing like that, when I open pandas, almost 20 plus topics actually. How to do the data analysis, how to do what exactly. We do have a data, what are all operations we can apply over the data, we understand. Now coming to the point, in a real time scenario, in real time scenario, so kindly please understand, we are going to working with machine learning algorithm. We are going to working with what exactly? Machine learning algorithm. For that machine learning algorithm, input we need to provide. We need to provide what exactly? We need to provide input actually. If I say input, assuming that data, assuming that what exactly? Directly the raw data we should not provide actually. Best example, sir, I went to market, I brought some vegetable actually. Can we draw vegetables except carrot actually? So the point will be, definitely some cooking process is required, am I right? Same thing like that, in a real time we'll get a data. First step, we'll get what exactly? From the data, what we need to do? Create a data frame. Create what exactly? From that data frame, we supposed to give to the machine learning algorithm, but machine learning algorithm won't like data frame. In between, what we need to do? We need to create a array. That's the flow you need to understand. I would like to make it, this one is the step number 1, step number 2, step number 3, step number 4. If you remember this one, learning machine learning is very easy for you. Learning machine learning will be very easy. Talk with me. First one is a data, data frame, array. Next one is machine learning. Let me tell you, still machine learning is capable to work with data frame, but the processing speed is a bit slow. Processing speed is what exactly, sir? Bit slow. You cannot imagine actually, it takes a little bit time. Instead of that one, if you convert data frame into array, then the process, sir, remember one thing, since your childhood you may learnt one point actually. Let us take a C programming language. In C programming language, there are mainly two topics. Topic number one, array. Topic number two, pointers. Topic number two is what exactly? These two are such a awesome topics actually. The same nature array also will bring. Right. How to create a array? By using NumPy package. By using what package actually? So by using Python, we used to create a program. We used to create what exactly? Program. By using pandas, we used to create what exactly, sir? Create uh, create a either series or talk with me data frame. By using NumPy, what we can do? Creating an array. Create what exactly? An array. Create an array. So keep in mind that that point we need to understand. Yesterday I have explained about what is the array, how to install array, and there are a few fundamentals also I have explained. Today, let us continue with the discussion. Online team, are you with me? Can I get a response, please? Hello? No one is not responding. Srikant, Tarini, Elon Musk. Good, sir. Welcome to data science. Fine then, let's move on. Good. Now, let me tell you, I thought to tell something. Good. So, whenever I'm talking about list to data structure, what data structure, sir? List to data structure. Can I say list is a class? From that class, we can create an object actually. Am I right? Good. Same thing like that. Data frame is a class. Data frame is what exactly? Class. From the top, from that one, we need to create what exactly? Object. Very good. Now the same thing like that. NumPy array. NumPy array is a class. NumPy array is what exactly? Class. By using that, we can create an object. By using that, we can create what exactly? When I'm talking about the list set tuple dictionary, the discussion will be more on methods, boss. The discussion will be more on what exactly? Methods. When I'm talking about the data frame, talk with me. Yeah, attributes. Next one is methods. The high priority is in attributes. And the same flow also we need to understand. Talk with me. What is the first one? Attributes. Next one is the flow important blows. This flow you cannot get from anywhere actually. This flow is seriously very, very important. Can somebody help me? By using methods, what we can do? We can perform. Tell me, sir. Operation. By using attribute, get the info. Methods, operations. Attribute, get the info. Next one is that's it. If you understand this flow, it literally helps you. I'm sure in your whole or lifetime, certain period, someone may ask a question. Do let me know what is the difference between Python data. I mean to say that list to data structure, data frame, and class actually. If you explain this kind of graph diagram, seriously super. In one shot, you are giving total overview actually. In total Python, you are talking about the methods. Total Python, we learnt mostly methods actually. Am I right? But when we entered into the data frame, and the 50% belongs to attributes and remaining 50% methods, ensure that. Right. So the same thing like that. And today we are going to discussing about NumPy attributes. NumPy, what exactly, sir? Attributes. Not all important. Let me cover what is important. A small overview. Attributes still you can call as instance variable. What is it one, sir? Instance variable. You can also call as a variable. You can also call as a enough. That discussion is more than enough actually. Okay. Now click on this one. NumPy attributes. NumPy array having the predefined attributes to helps to understand essential functionality. Shape is a predefined attribute. Somewhere we heard this one, man. Nice enough. Shape is a predefined attribute in NumPy array. We should access the shape attribute by using NumPy array object. By using this one, we can check number of rows and columns. Here also same. Shape attribute returns the tuple as a number of rows and columns. Same copy paste actually, right? Now please observe this one. What exactly we are doing, So seems to be I need to update the material actually. Good. Let me create array. Let me create an array, sir, please. Programs. One extra line I have given unnecessarily. Anyway, let me show you that. Can I say this is the nested list actually, sir? Nested list. Nested list actually, right, equals to this one, or else you can still make it this one is a this one is a actually. Now can somebody talk with me? This one is, can I make it array? A is what exactly? List. Array, arr is a array object, am I right? Good. Now let me just try to print array. Save this example, demo1.py, go to the desktop, programs, save this example. Hey, hold on. Online team, did anyone face today issue? Like yesterday you said you got the link very late, right? I just informed yesterday to the management. Online team, somebody should respond, please. Is the issue solved or what? Fine then. So let me. Yes, today also same issue. We faced the issue even today actually. Not solved. Link was not reflected, sir. Actually, we didn't get it, sir. Fine. On high priority, let me take this one on. So I can inform end of the session actually. I will call to the management directly. Yesterday I dropped a message, but I will call to the management. Good. Py. Please observe this one. Yeah, we got a array. How many rows? How many columns? Three columns. Yeah, we have a one attribute and one extra line, sir. This line is not required. Let me update the material. Now just try to come here. Dot shape attribute. What attribute? Shape attribute. You can just try to say, yeah, two rows. Row number one, row number two, three columns. One, two, three, three columns. It is written in tuple as usual, like a data frame actually. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Easy, very easy. You have to feel that. Now move on to the next one. NDIM, kind of some n dimensional, either one dimension, two dimension, three dimension, you can see. If it is a single list, then one dimension. If it is a nested list, then it is a two dimension. Then it is what exactly? Two dimension. Guys, please understand. I would like to say single row. I would like to say what exactly? Single row. But we are not using this one. This is the NDIM. N means number of dimension, either one dimension, two dimension, three dimensions. You can cross verify. Check it out. Next one is, this is important, boss. Please check this one. This is important. T is a predefined attribute in NumPy array. Hey, we already have seen this one. Where convert rows into columns, columns into series actually. Kind of some transpose. Am I right? T is a predefined attribute in a NumPy array. We should access this T attribute by using NumPy array object. By using this one, we can transpose the array, means it covers it converts rows as a column and columns as a rows. Good. Let me just try to apply over on this one actually. T. Run this example. Yeah. So if you want, you can just try to print here ARR. Now you can just try to print this one. Yeah, you can just try to take this example. Please observe this one. T is an attribute. T is what exactly? Attribute actually. Now, so that's it. Not much important. And these are all T attribute is important. Apart from that, everything is okay. Shape, ultimately. Now let me tell you. Now, generally in real time, let me explain the flow actually. Let me explain the flow. If you are having the data, if you are having what exactly? Data, definitely we need to apply EDA analysis. What we need to apply? EDA analysis means explanatory data analysis we need to apply. Sir, EDA operations, where it is available, inside pandas it is available. Where it is available? That's why in NumPy it is not available. So let me explain. All methods are available and more flexible, more comfortable methods are available in pandas. Methods are available in what exactly? That's why what we are doing, So once we are getting a data, we are creating what exactly? Data frame. Apply all operations. Apply all required operations. Whatever operations if you want, you can apply. and at last you will get data frame, right? Last to data frame you will get it, right? Then convert that data frame into what exactly? Array. That's it. That's the beauty. I mean to, yeah, that two dot values. What is that one? If you wanted to convert data frame into array, then here there is a one attribute actually. Attribute name is a dot values. That's it. It will be converted into what exactly? Array. Then move on with the next step is what exactly? Either machine learning or deep learning. These are all algorithms it takes actually. Keep in mind that. Why I am repeating this flow this many number of times, you know? Important, sir. Good. NumPy array having a predefined methods to perform different operations over array. What is the first method? Minimum method, sir. Minimum is a predefined method in NumPy array. We should access this minimum method by using a NumPy array object. By using this one, we can check minimum value from array actually. Now, please just try to take this one. The same thing actually. First of all, let me print the array. Array. Execute this example. Yeah. Now over this one, you can just try to call a method. Method name is a minimum method. What method, sir? Minimum method. Overall array, what is the minimum value? 10 that you are going to get, and maximum method also you can apply. Repeating again, a small catch in the document. I mean, either this line or this line, it works very well. But I need to update, I need to delete this line actually. Otherwise here, instead of numpy array, what we need to do, we need to take a nested list actually. Did you understand? And sorry, let me update the material. Material preparation is a bit challenging, sir. And what is the method name? Max. Now just try to come here. Overall the all array value, we are going to find out maximum value. Next one is a sum method. Come on, these are all very simple and basic operations. First one is minimum, second one is maximum. Can somebody prove how you can find out minimum is a method available in array actually? Come again. Nice. That you should know. Next one is a sum method. Next one is what method, sir? Sum method. It will sum up the all values. Just try to see. Very easy. Move on to the next one. Reshape method. Sir, interview question. There are two important methods in NumPy array. One is the reshape method. Next one is the flatten method. Next method is what exactly? Flatten. I will cover. Online team, I hope you're following, sir. Srikant. Good. Let's move on. Reshape is a predefined method in a NumPy array actually. So let me tell you, what do you mean by reshape actually? First of all, now just try to take this one. Call over this one shape attribute. What attribute, sir? Shape attribute. Good. Now, what is a shape attribute actually? Yeah. Now let us just try to take this one. And here, according to the discussion, instead of this one, can I print array? Hold on. Array I'm printing. And let me just try to print this one too. You can just try to run this one and take this example. And according to the discussion, the shape attribute is returning. The shape attribute is returning. This is the output actually. This output is explains us how many rows actually, sir? Talk with me. 2 rows. How many columns? 3 columns actually. Good. Now, if you want, let us just try to expand this one. Please hold on. There is a reason. Good. Now, I would like to say there are how many rows, sir? Actually, yeah, 2 rows actually, sir. Can I say this is row number 1? Next one is row number 2. Come on. Row number 2. And this is what exactly, sir? Column number 1. Next one is column number 2. Next one is column number 3. Very good. I hope you understand. Now, what we can do, you know, the same thing. Can we reshape this array? Can we reshape this array? Can we reshape? I will tell you what do you mean by that. Reshape this array. It is possible. Reshape this array. Yes, it is possible. Yes, possible. But there is a one small rule actually. What is that rule, you know? Hmm. First of all, 2 by 3, right? Now, 2 into 3, how much actually? Tell me the result. 6. Am I right? Now, if you wanted to convert, how you can convert, you know? End of the result should be 6, sir. End of the result should be what exactly? 6. Now, tell me the combination. Very good. 3 by 2 is valid actually. Very good. Now, next one is what exactly? 1 by 6. 1 comma 6 actually. Next one is what exactly? Tell me. 6 by 1. 6 by 1. Next one is somebody told 4 by 2, right? But let me take a 4 by 2. Now just try to come here. 4 comma 2. 4 2 sir, how much sir actually? 8. No, sorry for saying this is invalid. Good, understand. Valid only, right? Let me tell you. So if you are having 2 by 3 matrix, 2 by a array, 2 by 3 array, then what is the result actually? 6. Then if you wanted to reshape your array, like a 3 by 2 you can reshape, 1 by 6 you can reshape, 6 by 1 you can reshape, but not 4 by 2 actually. But not what exactly? 4 by 2. Did you understand? Good. Let me show you practically. Valid. These are all valid. Valid. Let me show you. So here, to reshape like this, we need to call a method. That method name is a reshape. Method name is what exactly? Reshape actually. So please observe here. Sales dot reshape of 3 by 2. Now just try to come here and you can just try to print off arr dot reshape of, talk with me sir. Initially what is the array size actually? Initially 2 comma 3. Now you wanted to convert into 3 by 2. Hey, can I convert actually? Come on, you can convert 3 by 2. Valid. Run this example and you can cross verify. Check it out. Valid actually. Did you understand? Now talk with me. Initially, how many rows? 1, 2. After you converted, how many rows actually? 1, 2, 3. Right. If you want here, you can check, you can assign this one into one variable. With that variable, you can check the shape also. Getting right? Take this example. 1 by 6, 6 by 1 also we'll see. Important. Sometimes it is really required actually. Now, can I make it this one is 1 by 6? Now just try to see. Yeah, one row. One row actually. Valid or invalid? Valid. 6 by 1, valid or invalid? Tell me, sir. Valid. Hey, important man. Remember this one. In machine learning, I will highlight actually. This is called as a single column array. What is this one? Sir, $1,000 interview question. Single column array. There is a one specialty, right? Important. Single column array. Out of all, this is important. This example is important. Now, hey, Daniel, can I give 2 by 4 actually? 2 by what exactly? 4 can I give? No, just try to see what error you will get. Nice, you need to try. Yeah, the error will be value error. What is error? Value error. Cannot reshape array of size. 6 into what exactly? 2 by 3. Hello boss, the size is what exactly? 6, but what you are trying to converting 2 by 4 means what exactly? 8. Not possible. Am I right or not, sir? I hope you understand. Take this example and you can just have to make a note here actually. This is invalid. Invalid. Hope you understand. Move on to the next discussion. Now here, what is the method name we are using actually? Reshape method. Talk with me. First method name is a mini method. Next one. Next one. Sum method. Next one. Reshape. Sir, please, till date, if you don't know what is a method, please focus once actually. Why? Because total data science depends upon that one only. Total data science, trust me. Very, very important. If you don't know what is a method, if you want, I can take 2 minutes discussion so that it will be really helpful for you. Good. Let's move to the discussion. Reshape method 1 by 6. Reshape of 6 by 1. Next one is count underscore non-zero. What is a method? Method or function? Yeah, sorry, sir. It is a function. It is what exactly? Function. Though it is a function, you can access by using what exactly? NP, numpy. Though it is a function, you can access by using what exactly? NumPy. Now, please observe here. The requirement will be, let me try to understand. We do have a array. How many columns and how many rows? How many rows and how many columns? Two rows, three columns. Sir, where are all non-zero values count? Non-zero count. I mean to say that ignore zero, count other value. How many? Four. How many actually? Four. Hold on. Let us take one small real-time scenario. I hope I do have a Netflix account. Netflix account actually. There is a reason. Backend they will use this concept actually. Let us take, these are all username. The first one is the Daniel. Next one is Kusuma. Next one is Akshay actually. Akshay. Good. So here movie number one, sir. Movie number two. Movie number three. Movie number four. Let us take a one serial actually. Serial number two. I hope you understand. Movie number four actually. Daniel. First movie I didn't see actually. Second movie I didn't see means zero. Second movie almost three times we have seen. I have seen. Third movie five times actually. Serial. Do you think? No, sir. Now let me tell you four times actually. Now Kusuma, zero, no doubt at all actually. Talk with me, sir. 10 times, sir. Sorry for kidding. Right now the two times. Akshay, though he has a holidays actually. Every movie, either it is a normal movie or any movie, he is watching on daily basis. Now let me tell you one point you need to understand. What is the point, you know, sir? Here you need to understand Netflix. Best example. Let me tell you. Can somebody say M3 is a movie? What is that one? M3 is a movie, assuming that signed of some horror movie. What movie? Here onwards, what is the count here actually? Then Netflix will recommend next time onwards horror movie. Why? Because here, what is the count actually? Five. Five times I have seen. Now, what is the count here? Zero. Kind of some solo movie, solo hero actually. Then I didn't watch. Just I have watched what exactly the trailer. I didn't feel that one good actually. Next time onwards, Netflix never suggests this kind of movie actually. Did you understand? Now you do let me know. Out of total, how many? One, two, three, four, five, six actually. One, two, three. Or mulanta? Six, three, sir. Tell me, sir. 18. Okay. Six, three, sir. What exactly? 6 into 3, sir. What exactly? 18. Now I just need a count of non-zero count, sir. Tell me, what is a non-zero count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Exactly. Right. Non-zero count. What is this one actually? Non-zero count is what exactly? 9, right? 9 or what exactly? Yeah, exactly. Means still we do have a other channels and other movies not recommend. Netflix never recommend to so and so users actually. Did you understand? Right. Now backend this kind of functions and methods is using by Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video. These are all things actually. Now coming to the discussion. Uh, Count underscore non-zero is a predefined function in NumPy array. We should access this function by using a NumPy. By using this one, we can get non-zero value from NumPy actually. Now let me just try to create an array, something like this. Let me create, sir. Here, let me take 0. Here, let me take 0. Let me print array. Good. Now, if you want, you can just try to take one more 0 here. It is okay. Now, you just need to call a function. That function name is what exactly? np dot. Talk with me, sir. What is the function? Count underscore non-zero. Count underscore non-zero. And here, what we need to provide? You know, a you need to provide, not a, sir. ARR. Array you need to provide. Get ready to get the output. Hope you understand. Take this example. We are very near. In another 10 minutes or 15 minutes, we are going to start a new topic, which is a maths actually. Get ready. All right. Next method is a sort method. What is the method? Somewhere we had, man. Nice, man. What is exactly? List actually. Sort is a predefined method in NumPy array. We should access this method by using NumPy array object. By using this one, did you notice one pattern in my document? If you understand in Python string upper method documentation, same points I'm keep on repeating. ఇన్ తెలుగు నైస్ ప్రొవర్బ్ యాక్చువల్లీ. చెప్పిందే చెప్పడం సోది అంటారు కదా, ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ఐఎమ్ రిపీటింగ్ అగైన్ అండ్ అగైన్. యూ హ్యావ్ టు క్యాచ్, you have to catch actually. By using this one, we can sort the values in an array actually. Now just try to see how it is sorting, like a column wise. Not column wise, sir, row wise actually. Here in the first row, what is the first value? 12, 13, 55. Next one is 1, 2, 99. You guys kindly please walk through this one. The method name is what exactly? Sort method. Talk with me. What is the method name? Sort method. You kindly please walk through that one. Now, Sirisha, I just need to update the document actually. Your output is valid output only. Let me show you. Let me just try to explain the, so this one. Sir, first of all, let me explain 120. So here is what value? 50. Good. Let me print this array. I have just created an array. I have just created what exactly? Array actually. Good. I mean to say that what you need to imagine is, assuming that this is my computer, one object is created actually. This object name is a array object. What object actually? Array object. Inside this array, this data is available. What data is available? This data is available. That point you need to understand. That's it. Over this one, we are performing all methods. That's it. Did you understand? Here we are calling, what is the first method name? Object name dot min method. Object name dot what exactly? Min method. Next one is max method. Next one is what exactly? Some like this. That imagination is really required actually. Keep in mind that whenever you are calling the methods, first of all, object created. What created, sir? Over that object, we are calling all these methods. Beautiful. Frankly speaking, object oriented programming language, such a nice pattern actually. Now, I have created an array, something like this. Sometimes I just need, whatever the rows available, how many columns are available, how many rows are available, I won't bother. I just wanted to convert all values into single row. All values into what exactly? Single row. Then you can go for one method. Method name is a flatten method. What method? Flatten method. Method name is a flatten actually. Now you can just try to come here, print of arr dot flatten. You can just try to run this example. Just try to see. Did you understand? I never bother how many rows are available, how many columns are available. That doesn't matter for me. I just wanted to convert into single row. Important in a machine learning. Previously, single column array. This is single row array. This is how much actually? Single row array. You are having the array. I just need to convert into single row. Then what method you need to use, sir? Flatten. Flatten. Hey, the name itself is talking. So flat చేసేయడం అన్నమాట. Did you understand? Yeah, good. Take this one. Let me drink water. Sorry, in my documentation, the output. Sir, I have updated the material. That's what small glitch actually. The output, previous output, I have copy pasted, I guess. It's okay. This document, let me update and I will share with you again. Adding value to the array. Very simple, sir. Adding value to the array. What exactly I'm doing, this is the array. For every array, we are adding what value? Two values, sir. We are adding what value? Two value. Can I say this is the matrix actually? We are adding a single value, a vector value actually. Yes, we can add 12, 22, 32, respectively 62. Just try to see. Array plus 2. Very simple. We are just trying to adding 2. This is the scalar. Yeah, just try to see. One, a single value we are adding. We can add like this. We can add like this. Sir, let me ask you one question. I can wait for 1 or 2 minutes actually. Can somebody compare? There is some value. We just need to add a +2 in Python. Any comparison of in Python? Very good. List comprehension. Any other? Nice. Come again. Sir, excellent, sir. Seriously, very good actually. Nice practice actually. In Lambda, there is a function. Function name is a map actually. We do have a list of value. Just to add the GST, we have written lambda. We had written what exactly? Lambda function. But instead of that one, what exactly we are doing? ARR plus what exactly? Just to 2. This is the very super easy actually. Did you understand? That connectivity important. When I'm showing one thing, you need to compare. Bhupesh. Sir, what is your original name? Just asking. But this is seriously very fun. Tesla, original name is very good, sir. Okay, good. Let's move on to the discussion. Uh, flatten method. Okay, adding value to what exactly? Area of values. We done. Next one, diagonal of matrix. What is the next one? Diagonal of matrix. Now, please observe here. In your childhood, did you? I hope you learnt actually. You know, this corner 159 is called as a diagonal. What is that one? Diagonal. It's a very simple. We just need to call a method. Method name is a diagonal. Simple, sir. Now you can just try to come here. 70, 80, 90. Now diagonal. 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 Run this example. Please observe this one. 10, 50, 90. Next method name. Trace of matrix. What is the next method name? The trace of matrix is the sum of diagonal elements actually. Can somebody help me? What is the diagonal value? 10, 50, 90. What is the sum? 150, right? So then you need to call a one method. Method name is a trace. Sum of the diagonals, sir. Sum of what exactly? Diagonals. You can just try to call here. Yeah. Now next one, trace of matrix. Still you can apply. Let me ask a question. This sum, can somebody tell me this is coming from where? Any idea? Python. Good catch. It is not a pandas. It is not a numpy. It is from Python actually. Let's move on. Adding and subtracting matrices. Not much important, but let me focus. We can add and subtract two matrices. We need to call add and subtract functions actually, and directly also we can add. There are two matrix. Matrix number one, matrix number two. I would like to say array number one, array number two. So if you wanted to add this one and this one, then you need to call a function. Function name is called as what exactly, sir? Add first parameter, first to array, second array. Then you can add something like this. You're getting right? Then though we would have a add actually, definitely we should have a also what exactly, sir? Subtract. We can do subtraction also. Can somebody tell me what is this one? Functional method. Tell me, sir. How can you say? Because we are calling by using package. Same thing we can still achieve by using plus symbol. By using what symbol? Plus symbol. Look at this one. Array number one plus array number two. That's it. Still you can apply plus also. And here you can apply what exactly? Minus also. That's it. More than enough. If you understand NumPy, this is more than enough actually. Now, I would like to say from the NumPy, you guys just need to understand only one attribute actually. That attribute name is a dot values. There are few more methods. I would like to say this we done, and these are also we done. Just the fundamentals is more than enough. Not much questions. I cannot give guarantee for one or two questions from the NumPy also. Now we are going to stop. The topic is maths actually, mathematics for data science. Very easy, sir. Very easy. Hold on. What level of math we are going to discuss also, I will tell you. Are you ready? Good. So there are total 10 topics. Sorry. Hold on, please. Next one is a mean mode median. Let me start. So can somebody tell me what is the topic name? Mass for data science. Mass for what exactly? Data science. Good. So let me tell you, the very first point. You no need to be master in mass to become data scientist. To become what exactly? Data scientist. This is the first point you need to make a note actually. This is the first point you need to make a note. You no need to be master, but there are some fundamentals. It good to be know. I mean, it would be good to know actually. You should know. Best example, values equals to 10, 20, 30, 40. Now I just wanted to do sum actually. How to do? Very good. Print of what exactly? Sum. Sum of what exactly? Values. Let me show you practically. What exactly happened here, backend definitely math applied. Am I right or not, sir? But you no need to be worried what function applied, how the calculation is happened. These are all things actually. Same thing like that. Over the data, hold on. Yeah. Now look at this one. Same thing like that. Whenever you are calling the sum function, backend math executed. What executed? Math execute. Some cumulative sum happened actually. First value added to the second value, total result added to the next value, total result added to the next value. Some math executed. But you no need to be understand. I mean to say that I would like to say here the math part is a hidden. The math part is what exactly? Same thing like that. What exactly happening, when I'm talking about the machine learning backbone is the math. Backbone is what exactly? Is math actually. But let me tell you, here we are going to working with the methods in pandas. Methods from what exactly? Methods from Python. So how a sum function is working in Python, same thing like that. Backend the math is going to get execute whenever you are working with the machine learning. Whenever you are working with what exactly? Machine learning. Did you understand? Good. So let me just try to cover, uh, you know, what exactly the math and what math we are going to cover. So the very first one is statistics. What is the first one? Statistics. It's a very simple. Please understand this one. A kind of some theory, but not boring theory. You can literally enjoy actually. Statistics is a branch of mathematics dealing with, now please focus, important. Statistics is a one of the topic in a math actually. One of the topic in what exactly? A some kind of probability, algebra, linear algebra. We do have a trigonometry. Many things we do have actually. Same thing like that. One of the topic is what exactly? Statistics. By using statistics, what we can do, first one is a talk with me. Interesting. Second one is a third one interpretation. Next one data presentation. Next one organizing the numerical data. Can I tell one thing? Data collection by using pandas also we can do. By using what exactly? Pandas. Next one data analysis by using pandas we can do. Interpretation by using machine learning we can do. I mean to say that now today you guys need to understand one point actually. What is that point? In 20th century, in 20th century, if anyone is working with the data, anyone is working with the data, that person name is called as a data scientist. That person name is called as what exactly, sir? In 19th century, or else in 16, 19, 18, anything actually till 19th century, if anyone is working with the data, if anyone is working with the data, that person name is called as a statistician. That person name is called as what exactly? Now keep in mind that playing with the data, not only nowadays, olden days also it is available. But in olden days, there is no programming. There is no what exactly, sir? Who are all master in maths, they only can play with the data. They only can play with what exactly, sir? Data. If you are asking kind of question, data scientist and a statistician both are equal actually. But being a data scientist is going to work with more, work with more on coding, more on what exactly? Python. Simple. Coding means you don't need to write a lot of code actually. But statistician work with what exactly, sir? Maths. That's it. Now, conclusion of the story: data scientist. Whenever you're talking about the machine learning, can I show an example? Let me show you. If I say data scientist, backend is the machine learning, sir. Backend is what exactly? Machine learning. Whenever you're trying to asking, hey, machine learning, what is your backbone means? Hold on, let me show you one small image. 1 minute, let me talk with the online team. Online team, are you with me? Can I get a response? What happened, sir? Online team, can I get a response? Good, fine then. Let us move on. Let me show you. Have you seen somewhere some fun images in my all? How can I search? Not in Bible, Daniel. Some fun images, sir. Somewhere. Give me 1 minute. I will show you. Practical I wanted to prove. Then definitely here itself. It's okay. Then. Yeah. Fun. 50 data science memes actually. Good. It's like seriously look at this one. Sir, this is the one of the diagram. What diagram? First of all, understand. When they asked you how to clean the data, and you clean it all actually, he deleted the data. They're telling like, how to clean the data, and he deleted the data. Then what happened? Background all team members beat this guy like anything actually. This is the one of the image. Now move on to the next one. Sir, this is cake or something like that. Now, yeah. This is interesting. Assuming that this is the machine learning algorithm, let's see who you really are. I'm repeating again, assuming that we are the data scientist, we are working with the machine learning algorithm. Whenever you are opening the mask, what is that one, sir? Backend statistics actually. That point you need to catch. Conclusion of the story: you no need to be master in mathematics, but be strong in Python. Be strong in what exactly? Python. Here we need to call a method. We need to call what exactly? Method actually. Did you understand? Good. Keep in mind that. That's it. More than enough. Let's move on. Yeah, even I just wanted to tell one point. I wanted to tell, sir, by using Python, what we can do, we can create a program. We can create what exactly? Program. Then next one, by using pandas, we can create series or data frame. I hope you understand the flow. By using numpy, we can create array. Good. You know what? By using machine learning, the motto will be we can create an algorithm. We can create what exactly? An algorithm. The purpose of algorithm is doing prediction. Doing what exactly, sir? Prediction. I'm repeating again. Why we are creating a array? The data is supposed to be very speed, kind of some optimization. Why we are creating a data frame? We can apply EDA. You can apply what exactly? What do you mean by EDA? Explanatory data analysis. Same thing like that. Get ready. We are going to working with machine learning. We are going to working with what exactly? Machine learning. And with machine learning, what we can do, we can create an algorithm. We can create what exactly? Creating a algorithm is one step, man. Trust me. Let me show you. Anyway, the time came, right? Let me show you. Simple. Please understand this. In Python, in pandas, in machine learning, I will show you. uh, A equals to list of 10, 20, 30, 40. Can I say A is object to, talk with me, sir, list? Very good. List actually. Next one, df equals to pd dot data frame of, pd dot what exactly? Data frame of some data, some list actually. Can I say df is what exactly? Df is object to data frame. Very nice, man. Get ready. Model equals to linear regression. Model equals to what exactly? Linear regression. Now model is object to what exactly? Linear regression. Frankly speaking, linear regression is an algorithm in machine learning. Creating an algorithm means, so can I say this is the, sir, talk with me, is it what exactly? That's what. See, you don't know machine learning, but you are able to recognize what is this one, right? You are very good in a Python fundamentals actually. Right. Now read this one. We can create an algorithm. This is algorithm creation. Algorithm means you no need to create your own algorithm. Already algorithms are available. You just need to create object for that one. That's it actually. Now, why we are creating algorithm, talk with me, to doing what exactly? Prediction, also called as a interpretation. Means you guys need to predict actually, right? Same kind of prediction we can do by using maths also, by using what statistics, by using what exactly? Statistics also. Statistics also. Did you understand? Let me take a small real-time scenario. What is a real-time scenario? Uh, you know, I hope everyone knows about one small scenario, sir. Hiroshima, Nagasaki, actually, what is the incident? What happened? Yeah, one country, so released one atom bomb over another country, actually. Am I right? Good. Let me take, assuming that this is the whole country, sir. This is what exactly? Whole country. And suddenly the aeroplane came and it is came and they just released one what exactly? One atom, a kind of some harmful object actually. Assuming that this is their release actually. Now, before releasing, they connected with the mathematics guys. Definitely these guys are scientists actually. There was a meeting, that meeting arranged actually. What they're telling, the total country, what exactly the square feet is like this one, the total distance will be. There is a small atom object we are trying to releasing. We just wanted to know it can impact how much distance. It can impact what exactly? How much distance. Then all these mathematicians, they done some analysis actually. They have submitted the report. Exactly, it was impacted to that much area actually. Keep in mind that prediction is not only nowadays, olden days also. Before releasing the atom bomb, mathematics guys, they predicted actually. I'm sorry, did you understand what I'm explaining? Right, good. Don't ask are you the mathematician in olden days actually. Just this is the real story, it was happen actually. Keep in mind that. All right, let's move to the discussion now. Yeah, by using statistics we can do the data collection, data analysis we can do, interpretation. What is that one, sir? Interpretation, a kind of some interpretation we can do. Data presentation means data visualization. What is that one? Data visualization we can do. Next one is organizing the numerical data. Organizing what exactly? Numerical data we can do, a kind of some ordering actually. Now please observe here. Statistics means what exactly? Measure plus analyze. Statistics, stats means what exactly? Measure plus analyze. Now look at this one. So whenever you're talking about the data, I would like to say this is the data, sir. This is the total population. This is what exactly? Population. When you're talking about the population, different person having the different habits. In terms of the height also different actually. This is the data. From this data we are getting height related information, weight related information, hair color. Next one is what exactly? I'm sorry, food preferences. Not only these one, many things, man. Right? So I'm sure this is my face actually. And next one is this is my face. Am I right or not, sir? Yeah, good. Keep in mind that first, what is the first one? Height, different heights. Next one is a different weights. Next one, hair color. So no hair, sir. Life is happy actually. Seriously, very good. Next one is a food preferences. Keep in mind that variability. What is that one? Different variations actually. Types of statistics. Damn sure interview question. Please focus. Please focus. There are mainly two types of statistics, sir. The first one is a inferential statistics. Next one is a descriptive statistics. Talk with me. First one is a inferential. Second one is, sir, did you remember in pandas I kept hold one method? That method name is a describe method. What method? That describe method belongs to descriptive statistics. Let me tell you. First one is the inferential statistics. What is the first one? Inferential statistics. Good. I will tell you. When you're talking about the statistics, first one inferential, next one is the descriptive. What do you mean by inferential? Look at me, please. Inferential means many times a collection of the entire data is impossible. Next statement is, hence the subset of the data points is collected. From the subset, we can get the conclusion. This point, read everyone, sir. Get the conclusion. One more time. Conclusion about the entire population. This is called as a inferential statistics. Now, inferential statistics means, let me give the best example since my childhood. When I was born, when I was growing, my mother used to carry me and she used to go to the gas stove actually, and rice is getting preparing. What is preparing? Rice is getting preparing. Then my mom started, either rice is prepared or not, what she's supposed to do, she need to take small, small quantity, and she need to taste actually. Then can I say, by taking small rice actually, my mother is giving a conclusion regarding entire rice actually. Am I right or not, sir? Then during that time my feeling will be, why is she only eating, why she is not keeping actually, something like that. Am I right or not, sir? Now conclusion of this story, sometimes collecting entire data highly impossible, highly impossible. And my uncle, my mama having on an average yeah, some land actually, assuming that 5 acres land. In that 5 acres land, he used to do fish farming. He used to do what exactly? Fish farming. Then sometimes what happened, fishes are getting small device, small disease actually. What is that one, sir? Disease. Then what my uncle used to do, he used to go to the, in between that fish farming, and he throw the net actually. He can get a few fishes. He can get what exactly? Few fish actually. Then he can do the test. By testing 5 to 6 fishes, he can conclude about the overall 5 acres actually. Sir, did you understand? He done inferential statistics. What is that one? Inferential statistics. I hope you understand, sir. Right, good. Many times a collection of entire data is impossible. Impossible actually. Best example, if you wanted to conduct the population in total India, you started from Kashmir. You started from what exactly? Kashmir. First village done, second village done, third village done actually. Who knows? Maybe some mother may carries actually. Then that population you may missed out. And there are some doors are closed actually. You may not knock completely. Did you understand? Right, good. From the subset of the data, we can get conclusion about what exactly? Entire population. This is called as a inferential data. Best example, I have a data set, 600 rows actually. What exactly? 600 rows. We can call one method. What is that method? Head method. What method? Head method. What we are getting? Sample data. What we are getting? By taking that sample data, you can conclude that first column is this one, integer. Second column is this one, object actually. Third column is a float actually. Kind of some discussion. Next one is a descriptive statistics, sir. Next one is what exactly? These are used to summarize the data. Descriptive statistics means kind of some summarize. What is the minimum value, maximum value, quantity? I'm sorry, not quantity, sir. Count actually, mean, average. These are all things is called as what exactly, descriptive statistics. Right. Read everyone. These are used to summarize the data, such as a mean, standard deviation, extra, minimum value, maximum value, count. These are all. What is the STD I can cover? Hold on, step by step I can cover. 628. Sir, I'm sure you never feel bored during math actually. Very easy. Please focus. Now, please focus. While applying statistics on the data, we can find underlying hidden relationship in between the variable. This is seriously super. Let me tell you. In a olden days, what happened, sir? In a olden days, This is, I'm talking about olden days. We do have a data. We do have what exactly? 1 minute. I would like to say, we do have a data. We do have a data. Over this data in olden days, they used to apply statistics. They used to apply what exactly? Statistics actually. Stats also you can call as a simplicity. Then whenever you're applying this statistics over the data, you can get lot of information. Like a pandas, what you're doing, all operations you can apply by using statistics. By using what exactly, sir? Statistics. But this is in olden pattern. I would like to say olden days actually. But nowadays, can somebody talk with me? Nowadays, what exactly we are doing? We are using data science techniques. We are doing what exactly? Data science techniques over the data. That's it. The process is the same, but here only pure PhD math guys only can work actually. Here, who can work actually? PhD math. That too, there should be something like a Aryabhatta, very senior maths actually. But here, do we need to be master actually? No, sir. Only one thing. What is that one? Python. Can I say a programmer can work with the data scientist actually? That's it. You need to understand. Why? Because if you wanted to get the sample data, definitely here and there some methodology you need to use actually. But if you wanted to get the sample data, there is a method name is a head method. If you want to, you can cross verify. In pandas, one more method is available. That method name is a sample method. What method? Sample method. It can get the one small row actually, one single row. Right, keep in mind that. Now, while applying statistics and data, we can find what exactly, sir? Underlying hidden relationship. Whenever you're talking about the data, one row, one column, second column, third column, how it is related each other, we can easy to understand actually. Next one, population. Next one is what exactly? How many types of statistics? Two types. First one is inferential, second one descriptive. All right. Next one is a population. This point explains about totality. Sir, simple, sir. Population means total data. Population means what exactly? Total data. Something kind shape attribute. What attribute? Total how many rows and how many columns actually. Total data. Always compare with the pandas. That's really very good one. Complete list of observations. All the data points about the subject underlying study. When I say the total data, that data can be belongs to total population, one type of data. Total vehicles. Next one, total sales. Next one, total what exactly? Cats. Next one, total what exactly? Houses actually. Now let me tell you, whenever you are going in Hyderabad location, there is a traffic. There is what exactly? Traffic. On an average, 50 vehicles. On an average, how many vehicles? 50 vehicles actually. Out of 50 vehicles, you can do small analysis. What analysis? Out of 50 vehicles, two-wheelers are more, or else four-wheelers are more, three-wheelers are more actually. If two-wheelers are more, you can bring one small conclusion. In that area, or else in between that, square foot of the area, there are more two-wheelers actually. There are more, sir, analysis. What is that one? And let me tell you the truth actually. Everywhere math man. The day when you wake up till to sleep, math actually. Total how many hours? 24 hours. Your heartbeat, how many times it will beat actually? You may say, sir, don't ask like this. Love the something like that, right? How many times heartbeat? Sir, everywhere math. Your eye blink also math. One time, second time, third time, keep a roll, something like that is actually. Okay. So math is a kind of some interlinking everywhere. Now, but nowadays we are really lucky because of the programming language. Because of what exactly? Programming language. In the olden days, if you know math, then only you will become as a data scientist. But in nowadays, it was not like that. If you know programming language, if you know what exactly? Programming language, yes, it's really beautiful. You can become as a data scientist. Math is hidden part. Math is what exactly, sir? Hidden part. Once after you understand the population, next one is a, tell me, sir. Sample. A sample is a subset of population, usually small portion of the population that is being analyzed actually. Interesting. Sample refers to the small part of the data, assuming that if I say this is the total population, a red color dress, green color dress, fat guy like me. Now these are all interesting information. Usually it is very expensive to perform analysis on entire population actually. Sir, important, sir. Very, very important. Please focus. Read the first point. Usually it is expensive to perform an analysis on what exactly entire population. So by analyzing the sample, it helps to draw what exactly conclusion about the population. Exactly. If you are having 100 GB data, it is too difficult to perform total war operations on 100 GB data. Instead of that one, get the sample data out of 100%, 100 GB, get the 10%, kind of some 10 GB, apply all operations, and you can bring small conclusion actually, right? Now, variable. In statistics, what we are examining is called as a variable. Here onwards bit important. Please focus. What is that one? Read everyone. In statistics, what we are trying to understanding, that is called as a variable. That is called as what exactly? Variable. Now next one is. So a variable is a talk with me. Measurable, countable, categorized. Variable is what exactly? Measurable, countable, categorized. We'll see. Practical, I will explain. People are having the different kind of heights, weights, and color. These are all variables. If I say height, definitely 6.2, kind of some 5.9, 5.7. These are all height actually. Next one is the weight, 70 kgs, 80 kgs. So simple, same thing like a Python variable only. Same thing like what exactly? Python variable only. But here, group of values. What exactly? If I say height, not only single person height actually, let me take 100 members height. Let me take what exactly? 100 members height. These are all variables, sir. See, when I'm talking about the, this, I would like to say sample data or else a sample population, all heights, one variable, weights, another variable, hair color, another variables actually. Can I say list of heights actually? Talk with me, sir. List of weights, list of hair color. Variable means variable representing the characteristics representation of study. Variable is a attribute. Variable having what exactly? Value. Variable can store any type of data. Simple. The normal definitions only. Now look at this one. Example. Person name equals to Daniel. Age, type, salary, height actually. This is exact my information, sir. All right. So let's move on to the discussion. Now types of variables. Next one is what exactly? Sir, damn sure interview question. Get ready. First of all, are you getting what I'm saying? This is important. You will definitely get an interview discussion. Let me drink water. Coming Saturday, can we work with one EDA project? I will share the link and I will help you. Would you have a data? How to download the data? Executed project would you have? I will share that one, and who are all joining, you can work actually. Kindly please join. Saturday, kindly please join, at least online. If you are unable to join with the offline, at least please join with the online actually. There is a project we are going to execute. You guys need to execute. You guys need to execute. I will guide you how to do that one. Yeah, come on, sir. Types of variables. Now talk with me. What is the first one? Quantitative. Next one is qualitative. Also called as a categorical variable. Also called as what exactly? Categorical variable. Quantitative means measured in numbers. Measured in what exactly? This is something like a numerical data. This is something like what exactly? Numerical data. Numerical data means integer, float. Am I right? In a Python, with decimal, without a decimal, something like that. Next one, sir. Categorical means string data. Categorical data means what exactly? String data. Let us make a note. Types of variables for your better understanding. Types of variables. The first one is quantitative variable, just related to the numbers. And when I say numbers related data, integer, and next one is what exactly? Float related value. Why capital it is coming? Numbers. Integer, next one is a float. I hope you know the meaning of integer and float actually. And second one is the categorical data. Second one is what exactly? Categorical data that you need to understand. When I say categorical data, group of characters, strings, sir. What data? String, right? Are you with me? Sir, categorical data ML terminology. What terminology? ML terminology actually. When I entered into the machine learning, I will talk about categorical data. Then you have to map with string data. What data? String data, right? Now let me talk with you. You know what? Let us take a string. In Python, hold on. In Python, it is called as a string. In Pandas, it will call as a nice. In machine learning, it will call as a category. That's what categorical data. That comparison matters, man. That comparison you can get from these sessions. Okay, let's move on. Good. Please understand. First one is variables. Quantitative means number. Next one is a categorical data, group of characters. Ignore the theory. I will explain this one. Ignore this diagram. I will explain. Yeah. Quantitative means numerical data. What data? Numerical data, right? We can do some kind of arithmetic operation. Sir, best example. Over the numbers, if you are having numbers actually, you can apply what exactly? Some operation. You can apply what exactly? Some operation. You are having the 2 breads, 5 chocolates, kind of some you can combine. Some arithmetic operations you can apply. We can do some kind of arithmetic calculation. You know, they represent a measurable quantity. These guys represent what exactly? Measurable quantity. Can somebody talk with me? Height, it is having the number. Next one, weight, midterm score, population of city, salary. These are all things actually. When I say quantitative data, mixed of integer and float. Mixed of what exactly? Integer and float. Are you getting? Good. Sir, second one is important. Categorical means store the value which are names or label. Names are what exactly? Label. One more point you need to understand. One more point. Come on. In Python, yes, we can call as a string. In Pandas, yes, we can call as a, talk with me, sir, object. In machine learning, we can call as a categorical data. Categorical data actually. Also called as a label data. Also called as what exactly? Label. Label also belongs to categorical data. Keep in mind that. Types of person, either male or female. Review of the food, good, bad, or okay. Color of the bike, red, green, or blue actually. These are all categorical data. Can I say string related data? Am I right or not, sir? Good. Next one. When I'm talking about the categorical data, 2 types again. How many types? 2 types. Without this question, there is no interview, man. Please focus that too. This is very, very important for the machine learning. This what exactly, sir? Very, very important for machine learning. Please focus. There are 2 types of categorical data. The first one is a ordinal data. Next one is a nominal data. Talk with me. First one is what exactly? Ordinal data. Next one is, sir, when I say ordinal data, we can keep some order, either ascending order, the name itself is talking O or D, kind of some order we can keep actually. Either ascending order, next one is what exactly? Descending order. When I say nominal data, no order. Even if you keep some order, there is no meaning actually, right? Let me tell you. When I say ordinal data, logical ordering is possible to do the analysis. Best example, a grades in exam, like a category students, first class, second class, third class, we can keep some order actually. We can keep what exactly? Some order. Repeating again, when I say ordinal data, logical ordering is possible. What is possible, sir? Logical ordering, like a ascending order or descending order. Good. We can logical order, we can apply some logical order according to the some dictionary format actually. When I say nominal, there is no logical order, sir. Best example, I collected all hair colors actually. White color, black color, brown color. Still we can keep with some alphabetical order. There is no use actually. Team, are you with me? When I'm talking about the student grades, A category, B category, C category, that is really good order actually, right? Now please observe this one, important. Categorical, a kind of some ordinal data. Next one is what exactly? Nominal data. These are all letter grade, and this is the hair color, you know, red, you know, blonde. Next one is brown. Next one is what exactly? Blue. Let me ask a question. This one also you can keep with alphabetical order. What order? But no use, sir. There is no use actually. Are you with me? Best example. Best example for the nominal data, male or female. Who first, sir? Tell me. Third World War will come actually. Am I right or not, sir? Conclusion. I'm sorry for kidding. Best example for nominal data, male or female. Till now, there is no answer. Who is the first actually? Am I right or not, sir? I mean, let's move on. Types of the quantitative data. Types of what exactly? Quantitative data. Can I ask a question? Categorical data, how many types? Two types. First one, ordinal. Next one, nominal. Ordinal follows order, nominal follows no order. There is no logical order. Next one is a discrete variable, continuous variable. Next one is what exactly? Discrete variable, continuous variable. Continuous variable, machine learning terminology. Let me introduce slowly by slowly ML terminology. Continuous variable means what exactly? Machine learning terminology. Discrete variable means, discrete variables are like a whole number, number of pets own, number of people in family, number of bikes or cars. Simple. Sir, discrete variable means, hey, integer man. What exactly? A number without a decimal. A number what exactly? Without a decimal. Best example. You're asking, hey Daniel, how many pet animals? I like pet animals, sir. Cat and dogs especially. How many of you pet animals you are having? Then can I say two actually? Good. Can I say three? Good. Can I say zero? Good. Can I say 1.5? Can I say? Yeah, I mean to say that when I say discrete variable, ensure that your answer should be integer. Your answer should be what exactly? Integer actually. Next one is a continuous variable. Next one is what exactly? Continuous variable. Continuous variable means it can be integer, it can be float actually. That point you need to understand. Continuous variables are like a normal numbers, including floating point. Weight, so you can say 80 kgs, 80.2 kgs. That is still valid actually. Salary, bank balance, these are all things actually. Observe this one. Discrete variable. Next one is a continuous variable. If I say discrete variable, sir, no decimal, only integer value. Number of pets are 2.7, invalid actually. Continuous variable, yeah, you can tell 1.5, 105, 185, 170.683. So seriously good. I hope you understand the discussion. Part number one is done. Just the fundamentals. Just fundamental. Tomorrow a kind of small practical also we can do. Easy practical. We can do easy practical actually. So did you understand today's session? Like this only. The total math it will be very easy. Trust me, it is very easy actually. Now for the math on an average, 5 to 6 sessions required. How many sessions actually? 5 to 6 sessions. Kindly please follow. Once the math is done, the next topic is the feature engineering. Next major topic is the machine learning. Can I give you when we are going to start the machine learning? Thursday, Friday. Sir, coming Thursday we are going to start the machine learning. Get ready. Coming Thursday we are going to start the machine learning. Once we started the machine learning, seriously interesting. First I will explain the flow. Don't miss that flow. The flow is forever actually. It is very interesting. Fine then. I'm closing the session early. Let me upload the math materials. Is it fine? Now what is the time? 5:30, right? Can you join for 5? Is it fine? No, I need a response from everyone. If at least one person is not okay, is it fine? 5? We'll see. Let me talk with the online team. Online team, anyone having any issue with the 5? No. Okay. 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 Sure, sir. It's okay. No worries. Let me cancel. I'm in California. Sure, sir. As usual, only 5:30 only. Oh, morning 3:45. Appreciate your interest, sir, for learning. Yeah, good. Let us just try to upload the material. NumPy I uploaded, sir. And I need to upload running nodes for the NumPy. This one also running nodes is the same. So can we do Panda small revision actually? Hey, today I told one guy need to give a small demo, right? Can we make it tomorrow? Sir, why you didn't remind me actually? Hmm? Let us make it tomorrow. Come again. You guys need to remind me, sir. From the girls, anyone can take actually. Come on, ma'am. It is possible actually. It is very easy. Don't fear. If you fear here, there is a Brahmanavan dialogue. What is that one? If you fear for fear, yeah, yeah. Sorry for getting. Let me tell you one small point. Actually, I will not take much time. First of all, if you wanted to, it's not like impress actually. If you wanted to impress the world, first you need to impress the family. First, you need to impress what exactly? You have to show your confidence skills to your family, like your father and mother. They will get a confident, hey, this guy can do something actually. Then if you are able to make it impress in your within the family, I'm sure you are eligible to impress the world actually. Same thing like that. Let us just try to create environment. Somebody please take one 5 to 10 minute session. Still I will not force you actually. Please explain 5 to 10 minutes topic actually. Good. So we done for today's session. How is practice going on? Good, right? So Python we done. Next one is a pandas we done. Sir, come again. Data visualization also done. Let me ask you one question. Did I upload it running notes? I upload actually, I guess. Sir, which topic is you like most actually? Pandas. Okay, pandas total. In Python, don't say introduction, please. Come again. In Python. Oops, actually. Next one is a data structure. Next one. Nice, actually. Very good. Important. You guys are selected nice topics actually. In Python, be strong. Be strong actually. There are mainly three topics: data structures, functions, whoops actually. These are pillars, man. Trust me, these are all pillars actually. Other topics are okay, kind of some okay topics. Maybe today evening 7:30 batch flow control started. What started actually? Flow control. If started, if else, if these are all, and I can help you with the functional programming language. Online link I can help you. Hmm? Fine, right? All right, man. We done for today's session. Please take care and don't miss tomorrow's session. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.